So let me introduce once again. I am Pushpanjali ma'am and I am your English teacher. And today we will be starting with our first chapter, the revision part, common and proper nouns. But before that, let us get friendly with our books, right? This is our grammar book. And what is the name of our grammar book? Great Fun with Grammar number 4. So children, you are going to arrange for the books, for the stationeries, right? And then today I will be giving you the revision. This is the revision of common and proper nouns. I hope you all must be remembering nouns. We all did it in our previous class now. What are nouns? The simplest definition of nouns is that nouns are naming words. Yes. And it can be a name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Fine. So the simplest definition of noun is that nouns are naming words. Now, we know that nouns can be of two types. Okay. Nouns can be common nouns, proper nouns. Fine. We all did common nouns and proper nouns. What do you mean by common nouns? Common nouns are common names of things, animals or places. It can be a name of the parts of the body also. Names of trees, fruits, vegetables. It can be common names of all these things. Fine. And what do you mean by proper nouns? Proper nouns are special names of a person, place, animal or thing. Fine. So, we all have to remember that proper nouns, they begin with capital letter. They always begin with capital letter. We have to remember this thing. Fine. Now, for example, if I say that festival. Now, festival is a common noun. It's a common noun. Here we are not understanding which particular festival we are talking about or what is the special name of that festival. So, the festival is a common noun and what is the proper noun related to it, children? It's Holi, Diwali. Yes. So, Holi and Diwali are the special names of the festivals and they begin with capital letter. Fine. So, in this case, we have to remember that common nouns are common names of the things or animal, or it can be the name of the parts of the body, the names of the trees, fruits, vegetables, and proper nouns, they always begin with capital letter. These things we have to remember. One more thing that is going to be there is we are going to do the further exercises which are there related to this chapter, and the exercises are given on page number 2. See, we are going to do these two exercises today. In the first exercise, it says, read these words and identify whether each is a person, place, animal or bird or thing. And numbers are related to it. For example, if it's a person, we have to write down number 1 against it. If it's a place, we have to write down number Here few pictures are given and we have to write down their names. Okay, use the plural forms wherever necessary. Now do you remember plural forms? What are plurals? Singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Absolutely fine. Now there are few rules which are associated to convert a particular singular form to its plural form. What are the rules? Mostly we can get the plural forms by adding s to the end of the word. If we add s in the end of the singular form, we will get the plural form. For example, pen. Pen is singular, one. How can we get the plural form? We can just add s to it and we will get pens. Plural form. That's it. For example, chair. Chair means we are talking about one chair. Plural, what will be there? We are just going to add s to it. Chairs. Fine. Now this is the first part, that mostly we get the plurals by adding s to the singular form. Now the second rule that we have to follow is that if any word which is ending with s, double s, sh, o, x. If any word is ending with s, double s, sh, o, x, how will we get the plural form? Plural form is obtained by adding es to the singular form. For example, bus. Now this word is ended with s. So how will we get the plural form? Buses. If I say bush, now it is ending with sh. So the plural will be bushes. Fine. So in this manner we are going to convert a particular singular form to its plural form by observing the spelling of the words. Now we are going to do the exercise number 2, which is very simple. What do we have to just remember? That if the picture is more than one, we are going to convert it into its plural form. Very simple it is. It's very simple. Okay. So now we are going to do this. Number 2. Okay. Here we can see that the raincoats, they are more than one. So when it is more than one, we are going to convert it into its plural form. Why is Pushpanjali ma'am writing R capital, dear children? Why is R capital over here? Because the sentence is beginning with this. And you all must be remembering that every sentence begins with a capital letter. Wonderful. Raincoats, and now this is a picture of umbrella. And it is more than one. So what will come here? Umbrellas. We are just going to add s in the end and we will obtain the plural form. Raincoats and umbrellas are taken out of the cupboard on a rainy day. Okay? On a rainy day. So we have converted raincoat and umbrella to its plural form. Now the remaining sentences, ma'am is going to definitely provide you the answers in the answer key, but first you are going to attempt and then you are going to verify. The remaining 2 exercises we will be doing in our next video. Till